Hi, hi everyone. I welcome to my basic English grammar classes. In today's class, I am going to talk about continuous or progressive tense. Don't confuse. Continuous and progressive are exactly the same. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. I am speaking English. I am speaking English. Subject plus be verb plus verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus object. Subject. I indicate the subject. So be. In the previous class, we are already discussed about be forms. They are is, am, is, are, were, being. Okay, is, am, are present tense, was, were past tense. Okay, am, is, are present tense, was, were past tense. Right, verb plus ing. So verb is nothing but an action word. Right, verb plus ing. So speaking, you see, speaking, verb plus ing. Then object is nothing but another noun. So in continuous tense, the formula is like this. Okay, right. We use am playing, is playing, are playing. You see, we use am playing, is playing, are playing, indicating present continuous tense. Okay, we use am playing, is playing, are playing, indicating present continuous tense. Was playing, were playing, indicating the past continuous tense. Okay, we use was playing, were playing, indicating past continuous tense, and shall be playing, will be playing. So we use shall be with first person singular and plural. I mean I, we. I shall be playing, we shall be playing. So will be used with second and third persons. I mean you, they, he, she, it. Right? So we view and we use shall be and will be indicating the future continuous tense. Right? So let us see more examples. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. So, what is present continuous tense? An action that is going on at the moment is called present. What is past? An action that was happening or exist is called past tense. What is future tense? When you will use future continuous? When will you use future continuous? When you talk about a future plan. Something will happen in the future. That is called future tense. Right? See the examples. I am, I was, I shall be. I am in present. I was in the past. I shall be in the future. I am, I was, I shall be. Right? I am, I was, I shall be. We are, we were, we shall be. You are, you were, you will be. They are, they were, they will be. He is, he was, he will be. She is, she was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. So these are these examples for present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Right. Right. Present continuous tense. We already discussed about an action that going on the moment or the current time is called present continuous tense. You see the example. He is sitting outside. Is he sitting outside? He is not sitting outside. So the three examples for present continuous tense. You see, he is sitting. Sit plus ing sitting. Verb plus ing. So he is indicating subject is be form. Sit verb plus ing outside an object, right? He is sitting outside. It is an affirmative sentence or assertive sentence, right? Is he sitting? It is a question, right? Question. What is a question? A statement or a sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence, right? He is not sitting outside. He is not outside. He is not. He is sitting outside. He is not sitting outside. He is not sitting outside is a negative statement or a negative sentence, right? Past continuous tense, right? Past continuous tense. An action was happening, that was happening or existing is called continuous tense. See the examples. It was getting late. It was in was it indicate the past form, past tense, right? Past B form. It was getting late. Was it getting late? It is in interrogative. It was not getting late. It is in negative, right? Future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? When will you use future continuous? When you talk about future plan or future, right? The time called future tense. See the examples. See the example. They will be swimming. They will be swimming. Will indicate the future tense, right? Will they swimming? It is an interrogative form, right? They are not swimming. It is in negative sentence, right? See the exercise number 1. See the examples, right? So, I am writing a novel. It is in present continuous tense, right? So, we see the examples with first person, second person and third person. Okay, we'll go through it. Okay, we'll go one by one. Okay, you see the first example. I am writing a novel. I was writing a novel. I shall be writing writing a novel. I am writing a novel is present continuous tense. I was writing a novel past continuous tense. I shall be writing a novel future continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, right? We are writing a novel. We were writing a novel. We shall be writing a novel. So we are writing a novel. We were writing a novel. We shall be writing a novel. We are writing a novel in present continuous tense. We were writing a novel in past continuous tense. We shall be writing in future continuous tense. Right. You are writing with second person. You see, I we first person, you second person. Right. You are writing a novel in present continuous tense. You are writing a novel in past continuous tense. You will be writing a novel is in right is in future continuous tense. Right. Third person plural. They write a novel. They are writing a novel. They were writing a novel. They will be writing a novel. So first person, second person, they third person plural. Okay, I first person singular, we first person plural. You both second person singular and plural. They third person plural. He, she, it third person singular. Okay, so they are writing a novel. It is in present continuous tense. They were writing a novel in past continuous tense. They will be writing a novel is future continuous tense. He is writing a novel. He was writing a novel. He will be writing a novel. He is writing a novel present continuous tense. He was writing a novel past continuous tense. He will be writing future continuous tense. She is writing a novel. She was writing a novel. She will be writing a novel. And the last one, it is walking on the rope. It was walking on the rope. It will be walking on the rope. So it means it indicates things or animals. You see, it is walking on the rope. It is present continuous tense. It was walking on the rope past continuous tense. It will be walking on the rope future continuous tense. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get the notifications. Okay, thank you. Bye.